Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Dune and we back with another video. So today we got this account and I'm just in this trade right now, expecting this news candle to be hopefully hit real quick. And that's gonna be my $500 profit. I got this account right here. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. So we're just expecting this to get ran here. Only because we know that old news highs is a very strong liquidity. Come on,
Order
bro. There we
filled.
go. So we know that liquidity or old news candle is a very strong liquidity, so I usually like to target the highs of these or just target it, my 1 to 2 or whatever. We took this trade from our fair value gap entry right here, and yeah, that's about it. So 500 bucks for the day, and it's not bad. It might run more. Why I kind of took buys today, like I took a couple other entries. Um, Pretty much on the 1 hour, I seen that we have this big gap here that got broken, meaning that we should be running bullish now. So you see, like we got some pretty strong movement through here. Boom, kept coming back, kept running. I can't speak. Kept just kind of pulling through a little bit. Kind of also just consolidating. Then today we finally get that super big push that I was expecting. I got to the market kind of late. And I end up missing this move right here. I think it's this move right here is 630. And this move, I usually come at the market like 750. This move right here, perfect move, textbook move. I mean, you see I marked it up and that was just an easy 1 to 2. And I missed that and I missed this. Also, this tech, it's not my specific strategy, but testing off this 2 minute gap right here, that's something you could have took. Or just, this right here, which is just my IFG entry, and I told you guys why I took it because we just had news come out and we got a super nice liquidity sweep or liquidity pool there. So boom, and this might end up coming through here and coming through this, breaking that right here. If this breaks, because we did also get a liquidity sweep here, so we swept a lot of liquidity here. So for this to come through and actually give us some volume, that could be a good trade. And this is just on the 1 minute. Now, personally, I don't want to take it. I don't want to take this trade, so I'm not. But I do think this trade would play out if it did. But like if it did inverse this, we could possibly play this out because we did sweep. We didn't sweep this liquidity yet. That's probably what we need to do. We swept this. We have manipulation leg and we swept this old news, so we could end up selling off after inversing, but that's something that we'll have to wait for. But that's pretty much all I really want to show you guys. If this does sell off here, or if this does actually inverse, I would take it to right here, or I would just take it to right here. So my plan for my live accounts, because once I get this one funded and my the other two funded, um pretty much I'm just gonna take it to the live. And look at that. We might keep running up so we can finally sweep this on the 1 hour and maybe even higher. But it could run up all the way up here, but it's Friday. So I don't expect it to do that. I expect it maybe just to sweep this liquidity right here. Also YM is moving. I'm about to start looking at 30 because 30 it's been looking nice. It's been moving pretty nice. So I'm kind of liking 30 a little bit, but I don't know. I might start checking it out because this trade on 30 right here was pretty clean. I mean, it's super big gap here, but we might have could have caught something on a 30 second. Maybe this, but nah, I wouldn't do that. I would usually just take one with the just one single candle. And even though it's a huge gap, you could, still take this right here, expecting a short after the break of this candle. And you might have to just risk a little bit less on this trade and because usually you would like to keep your stop loss above the box, and if it breaks then you're out. But what you could do specifically with this is maybe just take this candle, take it off this candle, um, and just use this as your actual SL here. So now your SL will be right here, and you just target your 1 to 2 or whatever you target. I target 1 to 2, 1 to 3, whatever. It's usually just between those two. Target the 1 to 2, which also is most likely, if I go back to the 1 minute, I'll be just targeting this low, this internal low, or just, 1 to 2. So yeah, boys, that was 30. 30 is pretty nice as well. And yeah, so this could still sell off here. I kind of want to watch it just to see if I'm correct. I mean, I really don't have to in this video though. Really just want to show you guys, me making 500 bucks on this account. Just 25 bucks, so 2,500 away. I kind of want to go aggressive on these accounts, but I'm probably not, honestly. Might not go aggressive, but oh, before I actually was gonna talk about that, let me hurry up and speak about this. So pretty much what I'm gonna do when I get my 3 live accounts, I'm gonna pretty much just take my trade, right? And let's say I take a trade specifically, let's say if this breaks, just for example, if this breaks right here, I would basically target 1, 2, right? So one target being, I would take like 35%, 40% away, put it to break even, right? First break even, first target. Second target, I'll take the rest out. And I would do that type of thing so I can always make money. I know it's partials, but I know with this strategy, taking partials on live accounts, in specific areas because it might come back and stop you out, but also leaving a runner because you can still get more profit. Like if I'm risking 150 bucks to make 300 on risking 150 bucks to make 300 on 3 accounts, right? I mean, if I'm taking partials, let's say I might only get $180 for that day. Um, I just know that all 3 accounts is gonna add up. Only problem is with Top Step to get payouts, you just need 200 and above. So as long as I'm getting at least $200 from the end of the trade, so like if this, let's say I take a trade, look, boom, I get to 1 to 1, I only get maybe 150 from that. And I was pretty much, if I don't get it to my second TP from my runner, I can't take profit from my runner, then I'm just basically gonna have to thug it out, bro. And dang, I lost my train of thought. Pretty much just have to do something else. But look at this trade right here. I would like to get in here. Like, I'm not gonna get in because I'm gonna follow my rules on this account. But you see that if I would have took, that's basically the entry, right? Right there. SL above our box here, and we're gonna watch this play out and see if it hits. And TP1 just got smacked, so right there we'll take partials. We'll go to break even just like that. And let's see if I don't know if you guys like it like that. And let's see if this plays out as well. So you see that, right? So that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing for my live. Take partials, okay, cool. I secure some profit. It might only be 150 bucks, but I gotta make sure it's at least, a good amount. So boom, see how I pull back, and we might, if we end up touching my break even point, it's gonna be like, well, I got saved and I took profit, right? And NAS indices, the market likes to do things like that, come break take you out break even or whatever. So boom, right? Took partials. It didn't take me out break even, so we still got our runner going, right? I'm just giving an example on how I would actually play this situation once I get these live accounts, because I'm gonna be treating my live accounts a lot different. You know, a lot different. I mean, I'm gonna be risking a lot less, and just treating it a lot different. I mean, 125 bucks to make 250, something like that. 150 to make a good amount, or 150 to make 300, or whatever, right? So I'm gonna keep watching this. I kind of want to see if this trade will play out. I do all my videos pretty much live, or not live, but no edits or whatever you call that, right? But I do most of my videos like that. I will start editing my videos if that's what you guys want. I do not edit. I just kind of like the like off the dome kind of type podcast almost type type videos. I don't know. I kind of enjoy that, but um, glad I got this account starting at a good rate. Let's watch this. But yeah, guys, pretty much that's pretty much it for the video, though. I just wanna before I end the video off, I just wanna tell you guys to follow your rules, man, and just stick to the over. Just stick to the stick to your risk management, bro, because um, it's so easy to blow accounts. Like doing that, like, and just knowing, like, okay, cool. I passed accounts before, and I'm just saying this for example. I passed accounts, but I'm just saying this for example, like if you have passed accounts before, you know how to trade, like, okay, you've done this before, like, okay, cool, I passed account. Most likely, you're gonna try to like over risk on a trade, bro, and just try to like maybe not YOLO, but just try to pass it like fast because you're going aggressive or whatever. And my advice is just to stick to your plan the whole time, bro. Cause I've done that before, and honestly, it's just it never really. It might have worked for one or two trades or whatever, like just a small percentage of trades. But I promise you, just sticking to your plan overall, you might get funded in a week or two, whatever, right? Just or in a month, it doesn't matter, right? As long as you get funded. So, um, I would say just stick to your plans, guys. Like I know during a trade it's kind of different, but knowing that, cool. Let's say you might be down 500 on your account or down 1,000 on your account halfway, right? I wouldn't say YOLO. I would say lower risk and try to build it up. If it's evaluation and you like, okay, cool. Like if you are like kind of been trading and it's just evaluation. Let me explain myself. If it is just a evaluation, I would say yeah, okay, cool. If you can trade, then if you want to YOLO it, okay, cool. Why not? If you know you can, pass a count, whatever, YOLO it. That's up to you. But personally, I wouldn't do it anymore. Oh no, 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 I ain't gonna say that. Personally, I'm gonna tell you guys not to do that. For myself, I know that shoot, I can YOLO a trade and I'll, I don't know, make like three times the amount just because I'm over risking or whatever, right? And I'll do that and get up and just not do it ever again, just to get to that point, like just to get to the this is definitely gonna hit my second TP. Just by the way it's rejecting this area so bad right now. Um I wanna kinda I wanna keep recording and watch this play out. Oh, look at that. So I wonder if I should have took that trade, bro. No, it could have been a $1,000 day if I would have took that trade, or at least if I would have took the trade, I should have most likely because I'm literally calling out. Um, but that's where your rules come in. It's up to you guys. But me specifically, I know I probably shouldn't have took that trade or shouldn't take that trade, so I didn't. But I'm gonna watch it in my face play out, and I expect it to honestly go to this area. Or it might even want to run further, but I expect for sure at least to go in this area. Let's look on the 1 hour. See, we swept that. Oh no, we didn't. We almost swept it, and pushing back down there now. So, boom, TP2 hit just like that. So that would have been full TP. So basically, I would have took partial one, partial two. I would have been out right there, called it a day, and that's it. So hey, I thank you guys for watching. I kind of just want to explain that last thing before I get out of here and just see if this trade plays out, and it did. So I appreciate you guys for watching, man. I'm coming back, videos every day. If you guys don't see like an actual long form video, you will see a short on my channel. Just stay tuned, subscribe, like, look at everything, and just tell me, guys. I can't speak. Guys, tell me what you want to see, what you want me to like cover or whatever, right? Just let me know. Just keep going strong. Gotta get these accounts passed. And yeah, pretty much about it. I gotta get these. I'm trying to have 150K in funding. Hopefully by the end of this month. I just gotta get two more accounts. So yeah, we're gonna see if we can hurry up and get this passed next week, and we might have to, or we're gonna try to get these passed next week, but by the end of the month because the month just started, and I'll probably get I don't know when would I get another account. I might take it a little bit slower because Top Step does want you to pay 150 bucks each time. So I might just try to get one or two accounts funded this month, and next month try for maybe one or two accounts or whatever, right? but just make sure at least get one account a month, at least one account a month, maybe two accounts a month. Because it takes 30 days for you to actually get your account activated. If you pay it, you have 30 days to do that, to pay it and stuff. So, if the way to think about it before I get out here, let me just say it. You can do it every 14 days, 28, the 14th and the 28th. So yeah. But that's it, boys. I ain't gonna keep talking. Thank you guys for watching, stopping by again, and yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna just continue to give stuff past, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and peace. Peace, peace.